In this video from Device Doctor, I'll show you how to replace the maintenance box on your Epson WF-C5890 so your printer works perfectly again.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, when we power on the printer, it immediately shows an error message on the screen. The message clearly says, "Remove and reinstall the maintenance box." This means that the printer is no longer able to recognize the current box, and it will not allow us to continue printing until this issue is fixed. At this step, turn off the printer and disconnect it completely from the power source. This step is very important because it makes sure that the printer is safe to handle and prevents any possible damage. Now we open the new maintenance box that we have purchased. When you buy this part, make sure to check the code written on the box. The correct code for the Epson WF-C5890 is C9382. If you buy a box with a different code, your printer will not recognize it. So always double-check this code before completing your purchase. Now turn the printer around and carefully remove the cover of the maintenance box. This cover protects the box and keeps it in place. By removing it, you will have full access to the maintenance box, and you can easily take it out for replacement. Now take the new maintenance box out of its packaging and place it carefully inside the printer. The process is very simple and does not require any tools or special skills. Just make sure that the box is inserted in the correct position so that the printer can recognize it immediately. Now we have successfully replaced the maintenance box in the Epson WF-C5890. The printer recognizes the new box and is ready to print without any errors. Always check the box code before buying a new one. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and watch our next video to learn how to reset the maintenance box with a chip resetter.